Hello, and just finished trading. Sadly, not a positive day, which is always tougher on Fridays. I mean, it's supposed to be the capital preservation day. Yeah, some days are not like that, and it was frustrating because I broke some rules. I'm aware of that, so that is part of the learning process, right? I mean, market open, tested the overnight high, sold off from there, and truly no idea why I was failing this. So I was joining okay the initial move, but volume point of control was very close to where I enter. Plus, yes, it's volume point of control, which was a bullish day, and all the stuff. We were opening inside value, an area where normally things are not going in one direction immediately. Also, OPEX today and the final rollover. So a lot of factors, okay? A lot of factors that, yeah, lesson learned in the hard way, basically, okay? But anyways, so I have two accounts, as you know, and one of them is negative. The other one was also red because I mainly trade almost at the same time, and I managed that one to take back to break even, just because I have a bit of more room for the daily loss limit, etc. So that is why that allowed me to continue and to have a stop loss a bit bigger. And then I was shorting this in a very critical area, around the 800 century, and was always short in terms of yesterday's high, all-time high, second standard deviation of VWAP, okay, but my target was too far, was really too far, was around the RTH VWAP, and that was not right. I mean, there was no logic behind it. So now the market is actually accumulating a lot of volume here, okay? So yeah, it is what it is. I also broke a couple of things. I was kind of a busy day actually with other things, so I didn't really manage to go into things from my pro-routine, and that is also, I think, part of the the problem today. The lack of preparation. I was really not totally prepared. For example, stress level was between 3 and 4. I was at 4, and yes, I consume caffeine in the structure. Yes, work and some event later. Um, I said partially. I mean, it was not really news days. Yeah, not really news, but OPEX and this one I didn't really fill it up completely, and I was in the rush, and yeah. And let's see what it says right now, actually. So that's significant outlier, negative sigma value average. Yeah, of course. Generals, environmental distractions. I did also the pre-routine analysis very early in the morning instead of doing it around 2:30 p.m. here. So yeah, I did changes in my routine, and I think that also affects my judgment. So yeah, it's fine. I'm learning from that. I was in the money in some of the trades. I didn't want to take those profits. Okay, it's fine. Then yeah, friends were anxious. I was really anxious, negative. I was at 2. Yeah, not really. Yeah, I took water, fuel. Uh, which is part of my roles, but yeah. Yes, I took a trade. So I just the stocks. Friday, monthly, I new to have weekly, I want to have daily, yeah. And I will just import this trade project X as this one. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts, but it was a good week, and it's a good week in general. But yeah, OPEX Friday rollover. So trades imported. This was the break-even account. So yeah. Well, it's fine. Just now it's pushing to my target, but I was too attached to the position at that moment. I was also trading too big. I mean, not too big. It was 1 micro at the moment, but I added and then I had to move the stop loss, so which was not ideal. But yeah. Anyways, again, I will just fill this up. Let's see. I'm planning to create a video Saturday or Sunday about the weekly recap, and then let's see how it goes. What to improve, the statistics and everything. So yeah. Bye bye.